Welcome to the Reflector tutorial. We will be exploring how to use and fold up a reflector. So let's start by looking at our reflector. So it comes in this little bag. We're going to just unzip it. Just unzip all the way, and it's like a big disc. So it comes like so, and then what we're going to do is just let it snap open. So now we have a reflector. So on this side it is silver, on this side it is black or opaque. You can zip it up, or you can unzip it I should say, and inside you get the reverse. So you get gold and you get white on this side, so you can flip it around. And then you also have this kind of a diffusion disc. So this could go in front of lights and it can diffuse. So that's the 5-in-1 reflector. So you have a white bounce, you have black negative bounce, so no light goes on it. You have silver, and then you have gold on the inside as well for a warmer bounce. And then you have a regular opaque disc. So if we zip that all up, that's great. And then essentially what we're doing is you can just bounce different light off of different sources, sunlight, other lights, and put it towards faces and so on. The trickiest part is folding this up. So what we want to do is, I always say, if you do like a cross with your hands and then you spin it around, and what you end up doing is getting it back into a nice circle. Right, so once again, so it pops open. Okay, I'm going to do a little bit of just a hand cross, spin it around, and it just goes into a circle. And that's it. So you want to try and get into this nice circle, put it back into the bag, and you're ready to go. Thanks for watching the tutorial on the reflector. You can access more tutorials at tvmcs.ca, where you can also learn about using it in exterior situations and other bounce type situations through some of our other videos on our YouTube channel.